we do have news. It is crossing officially right now. We've been waiting for this news. Disney buying Fox Films and its TV business. Really a reshaping of the Murdoch empire in what a remarkable way. We're going to try to bring you some of the details of this deal. Right now, what you're looking at is a deal after the spinoff. What they're calling is a $52.4 billion deal in stock. Of course, the big networks that will come along with this, the FX network, National Geographic, all of those, and then the movie business, X-Men, Avatar, all joining the Disney world. Let me give you a quick line from Bob Iger. Actually, before we do that, let's go through actually just the exact terms of the deal. 21st Century Fox is going to be shareholders will receive 0.2745 Disney shares for each 21st Century Fox share that they currently hold. The exchange ratio will be set on what they're calling a 30-day volume weighted average price. A little bit complicated. Disney is also going to be assuming approximately $13.7 billion of net debt from 21st Century. And what I'm really looking for also, because the big question has been the role that James Murdoch may play in this. I just did a quick search through the document, and the word James is not appearing in this press release.
But he was supposed to at least go there for a while and help run international.
And that had been a big question about the role that James Murdoch might play in a potential deal like this. I'm going to keep looking through this as we're looking at. That's Walter Isaacson, by the way, who we haven't properly introduced.
That's all right.
Just yet.
You don't need to.
But clearly, quite a big transaction. We're going to go to Julia Boorstin right now, who's got some more details. Julia.
Hey, Andrew, I think it's worth noting here that it includes in this announcement that at the request of both 21st Century Fox and the Disney Board of Directors, Bob Iger has agreed to continue as chairman and CEO of the Walt Disney Company through the end of the calendar year 2021. So his contract was set, which had been extended multiple times, was set to expire in mid-2019. So this is effectively a 2.5-year extension of Bob Iger's contract. This was expected, sort of with the expectation that this would be a way for Iger, who seems to enjoy his job, and even though he had said he wanted to retire, could oversee the integration of the two companies. So definitely worth noting that, Andrew.
Are you seeing anything? Am I missing something on the James Murdoch issue? Because that had been a big sort of social question.
That had been a big question. I had heard that there wasn't going to be anything announced now, that if James Murdoch did take a role or have a role, was given a role at the new company, that it would not be announced immediately. But I don't think he necessarily will be. I think it could be something that's still in motion, but I don't see anything here about that. And I honestly had not been expecting to see that as part of the announcement this morning. I don't think it's a surprise that Iger's staying on, though I do think it is very notable for investors. And I think the other two big things to notice here are bullet points in the announcement, which is how this expands Disney's direct-to-consumer offerings with the addition of the Fox's entertainment content capabilities in the Americas, Europe, and Asia, and then the Hulu stake. Right. Of course, controlling Hulu gives them a whole nother bunch of options in terms of how they're going to turn that into their direct-to-consumer offering for basically everything other than Disney content. Also, the other big headline here is the extensive international properties, including Star in India, Fox's 39% ownership of Sky across Europe. And I think that they, from what I understand, they are going to continue to try to complete that acquisition of the rest of Sky.
Right.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.